Picture this. You've saved for months, packed your bags, and finally landed in that dream destination. The sights, the sounds, the adventure. But lurking in the shadows are those who see tourists as walking ATMs. Today, I'm revealing how the innocent things you do while traveling might as well be an invitation saying, "Rob me, please." The Walking Billboard, that brand new backpack, designer sunglasses, and smartphone always in hand. You're essentially wearing a sign that says, "I have money." Thieves abroad don't target locals. They target those who display wealth. Dress down, blend in, and save the fancy watch for back home. 2. The map unfolder. Nothing screams, "I'm not from around here," like stopping in the middle of a busy street, unfolding a massive map and looking confused. Use your phone discreetly for directions, or better yet, memorize your route before leaving your accommodation. 3. The public sleeper. Nodding off on that train might seem harmless, but that moment of vulnerability is exactly what pickpockets wait for. Those precious minutes of sleep could cost you everything in your pockets. Stay alert, especially on public transportation. 4. The Backpocket Wallet. That rectangular bulge in your back pocket might as well have a target painted on it. In crowded markets and metros, skilled thieves can slip your wallet out without you feeling a thing. Front pockets are safer, but money belts worn under clothing are your best bet. 5. The Unattended Bag. "I'll just leave my bag here while I take a photo." Famous last words before a swift disappearance. Never, ever let your luggage out of your sight, even for a moment. That Instagram shot isn't worth losing your passport and cash. 6. The cash flasher. Pulling out a wad of bills to pay for a street snack. You've just shown everyone nearby exactly how much money you're carrying and where you keep it. Separate your money and keep small bills accessible without revealing your entire travel fund. 7. The distraction victim. Someone spills something on you, a child approaches asking for help, or a stranger starts an overly friendly conversation. These could all be classic diversion tactics, while an accomplice rifles through your belongings. Stay vigilant and trust your instincts. 8. The Tech Addict. Walking while staring at your phone, leaving devices charging at public outlets, or flashing expensive cameras make you an easy mark. Be present in your surroundings and keep technology hidden when not in use. 9. The Oversharer. Telling everyone at the hostel about your travel plans or posting real-time updates on social media broadcasts exactly when your room will be empty. Keep your itinerary to yourself and save those vacation posts for when you're safely home. 10. The Nighttime Wanderer. Exploring unfamiliar areas after dark, especially while intoxicated, dramatically increases your risk. Stick to well-lit, populated areas and consider traveling with companions when night falls. 11. The Trust Everyone Tour. Making instant friends is part of the travel experience, but blind trust can be dangerous. Be wary of strangers who seem overly interested in your belongings or travel plans, especially those who offer unsolicited help or special deals. The world is full of incredible places and people, and fear shouldn't stop you from exploring. But awareness is your best defense. By breaking these habits, you'll not only protect your belongings, but also gain the confidence to travel smarter. Stay vigilant, trust your instincts, and remember, the best souvenirs are memories, not police reports. Safe travels?